Welcome to our brief tutorial about how to submit a maintenance request using the Housing Portal for family housing at the University of Guelph. The first step will be to go to the Housing Portal, which can be accessed from the main website at housing.uofguelph.ca. Once there, use your University of Guelph central login to access the portal. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll use the hamburger menu in the top left corner. It's a drop-down menu, and you will scroll down until you see an option choice called Maintenance. Click on Maintenance to enter our work order request system. Now tell us where you live. Click on My Room to indicate that this is a work order for inside your unit, or Public Space to let us know that it's something outside of your unit or in the grounds area. And confirm by clicking on your unit number, which will be populated by the Housing Portal system. If correct, just click on this section to move forward. To start your maintenance request, first tell us a little bit about what kind of work you need done. We've got a drop-down menu of general categories, so we'll know where to assign the work. In this next step, you'll tell us in more detail what kind of work you need done. Please describe the situation in as much detail as possible to help us assess who we need to assign to this work order. If there's any limitations to entering the unit, or if you have children or pets in the unit, please let us know so that we can schedule the work according to your needs. And finally, scroll down to the bottom, click Save Work Request, and your work order will be submitted to our system. Once you've successfully submitted your work order, a confirmation email will be sent to you. You'll be able to review the status of your maintenance request at any time by logging back into the Housing Portal and selecting the Maintenance module. If you have any difficulties accessing the system, contact us at famhouse@uoguelph.ca to reach our facilities staff.